Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Facile Brighten Serum. This product retails for $38. I'm new to trying out Facile and I've seen a lot of people talking about it. This is a brand at Sephora. And looking over the ingredients is really what drew me to this product. It combines simple yet effective and nourishing ingredients to brighten dark spots. I've never seen a complex like this in one formula, so I'm really excited to try it and see how it performs for my skin. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. It's special because it combines a 5% concentration of niacinamide with tranexamic acid, but also azelaic acid as well. One of my favorite acne treating, hyperpigmentation treating, and redness treating ingredients. Niacinamide's not my favorite to use as a standalone treatment for hyperpigmentation, but combined with tranexamic acid, I have seen great things with it. So I'm really excited. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The things we're going to be looking for include, does it cause any sensitivity? How often can I use it? How does it feel on the skin? And what results do I see with it? This is just going to be a 2-week review, but I still want to see what I notice and compare it to some of my favorite dark spot serums. As for anything else, we continue with new check-ins. I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I'm really excited because they utilize azelaic acid for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. They use potassium, Azeloyl, Diglycinate. Not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it is a great derivative of azelaic acid. I have seen so many people talking about this formula, and tranexamic acid, niacinamide together makes a really potent dark spot and hyperpigmentation treatment. They also have some great moisturizing ingredients in here as well, which you can kind of see translate in this spot test. That feels amazing. Oh my gosh. It's really luxurious, very moisturizing, but almost like a water gel texture. So I feel like any skin type could use it. Dry skin though, you're going to love this, I feel like, because it is such a moisturizing active. I'm curious to see if I'll experience any sensitivity or anything abnormal with my skin. I love it because the ingredients in here are not only designed to treat dark spots and hyperpigmentation, but I'm seeing some great ingredients for oil production and acne as well. It just makes it the ultimate multifaceted product. No sensitivity whatsoever. This is a very gentle treatment, but look at that moisturizing glow that it delivered. Oh my gosh. I am struggling with just a little bit of hyperpigmentation right now, so I am excited to see how this product performs and put it to the test fully. Very moisturizing formula, and it's exactly what I was hoping it would be. Simple yet effective, and just uses the ingredients it needs. I will be seeing and comparing it to some of my other favorite dark spot treatments to see how it performs. They also describe this as a gentle exfoliating treatment. I'm excited to see what all the serum is going to deliver. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This is a super moisturizing and nourishing dark spot serum that utilizes so many great active ingredients. I love the combination of azelaic acid with tranexamic acid. I don't feel like that is common, or I've seen a lot of that on the market, and that is what truly justifies the price point of this product a little bit more. Not only are they targeting hyperpigmentation with this, with the tranexamic acid niacinamide combination, but they also target post-acne hyperpigmentation, which azelaic acid has been known to significantly help with. I love that aspect of it. I feel like it makes it a really potent and effective treatment, along with not being too overly sensitizing to the skin. They use a great balance with this formula of moisturizing ingredients that are supposed to support the skin barrier, along with treating dark spots and hyperpigmentation. My personal skin concerns, as someone who mostly struggles with acne, redness, some post-acne hyperpigmentation, and the occasional hyperpigmentation, this is the perfect treatment for me because it kind of encapsulates every single thing that I just listed. Azelaic acid is a very multifaceted serum, and this is an easy one-stop shop, so you wouldn't have to use a discoloration serum on top of an azelaic acid serum. Even though azelaic acid can treat those skin concerns on its own, it is good to have a more potent formula like this when you are struggling with a lot of skin concerns. I feel like that is what makes this so beneficial. It's an easy one-stop shop serum. It treats so many skin concerns. It also calmed the skin as well, and I noticed some of my redness was helped as well. I didn't combine this with my typical azelaic acid. I actually stopped using that to use this formula, and my results were holding up. Now, if you're just struggling with acne and redness, I still feel like just a sole azelaic acid would be most beneficial. However, this formula I feel like really stands out if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, post-acne hyperpigmentation, and redness and acne is kind of just another skin concern, not your primary skin concern. It's always good to evaluate what your main skin concerns are when picking skincare for you. I feel like post-acne hyperpigmentation and hyperpigmentation, dark spots, are going to be the main skin concern that benefits from this, but it definitely has added bonuses of soothing and calming the skin as well. It's a very well-rounded formula, justifying the price point very easily. It's the first azelaic acid combined with tranexamic acid serum that I have seen, which I feel like makes it really stand out. They're also targeting hyperpigmentation with azelaic acid with this formula, which I've always said is an underrated ingredient from what my dermatologist has said, from what other dermatologists have said. All of the experts that I trust have recommended that ingredient for hyperpigmentation. I'm glad that Facile did go with that when formulating this discoloration serum. I feel like it really stands out. It's super moisturizing, good for any skin type because it is so gentle. I personally found that I was able to use this twice a day. You could start slower with it though if you are a little bit more sensitive or newer to using actives, just go off your tolerance. However, I feel like this is a really great discoloration serum that's well-rounded, and so for that reason I would 100% recommend trying it. If you struggle with post-acne hyperpigmentation on top of redness and acne, that is when I would really recommend this treatment. It covers so many skin concerns, very soothing for the skin, and also extremely brightening as well. I'm excited to continue seeing results with this formula because my results were pretty impressive from the first couple of weeks of using it. However, I wasn't experiencing a lot of hyperpigmentation, just some post-acne hyperpigmentation, and it did kind of help correct that. So I do feel like this is really effective and is going to be a situational product for me. When I use it will be when I'm struggling with a lot of hyperpigmentation and post-acne hyperpigmentation. So I would 100% recommend trying it. I had a wonderful experience with this formula. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.